and welcome to the 10th episode of Fridays at Frontline. My name is Sarah, and I'm going to be your host. Today, we're going to take a deeper look into a new spotlight on the market, the Argus by Whelen, that we're able to put on a variety of vehicles while we're doing your upfitting. Let's take a look. In many vehicles, like the Dodge Durango and Ford F-150, you're unable to order them from the manufacturer with a spotlight. Well, the Whelen Argus solves that problem. It's a self-contained unit that comes with its own controller. All you have to do is touch that controller and it wakes it up. Then you're able to move and rotate the Argus wherever you would like. It does a full 360. It moves up and down, back and forth. And when you're ready to put it to sleep, you just hit the home button, it puts it back to sleep, you know it went off because both lights turn blue again, and you're ready to go. As you can see with this spotlight, instead of being mounted on your A-pillar, it's just a little bit lower on that fender. It's great because you're able to move it from vehicle to vehicle by simply changing out this part if you need to reinstall it on another vehicle at a later date. Now I've put this into manual mode, so I can actually, if I'm outside the vehicle, now manually move this, turn it, won't cause any damage to the motor, and point it where I need even when I'm outside of the vehicle. Thank you for joining us for another episode of Fridays at Frontline. If you're looking out for some Frontline swag, make sure you comment below and we'll send some your way. We hope you learned something new about a product on the market, and feel free to reach out if you need any more information, and check us out on social media. We look forward to seeing you next time.